right, so where can we go to look up how some of these symbols are doing?
All right, good. So what we're going to walk you through now is how to look at symbols and how to, just do a quick analysis on what the company is doing, and also how to use some of the things that we talked about earlier. How to look at those particular numbers to your advantage. And again, it's nothing real long. It's something that we do as far as just to get a quick analysis on how the company is doing before we do a quick deep dive. All right.
Yeah,
So one of the trading. Go ahead.
I was gonna say this is gonna be good for them too because we're gonna use the same system to kind of go through and actually walk through a stock later on. So we're
Yeah.
gonna.
Good.
All right. So let's go
All right.
to.
Awesome. What I normally use is tradingview.com. It's
Yes.
one of the in my opinion, one of the most user friendly, easy type of websites we go to. So Mark's there now.
All right.
Tradingview.com.
Uh, I know you like. I know you like. So you know what? Let's just do this. Let's just look at Tyson's Foods (TSN) since that's one that we know Tesla, we know Apple. Let's just take a rare
There you go.
symbol and just look it up.
Tyson Foods.
So, like you're saying, with any symbol, we can just come and put it in the search bar on TradingView. I think that's
Yeah.
awesome.
Yeah. The ticker. Exactly. So TSN, you hit that, click enter, and voila, you see the information for Tyson Foods. You got the stock price. You have the simple chart right here. It gives you certain times and stuff like that. You have the EPS. You see top right also, and the market cap. That's a big deal. You see the dividend yield
Yeah,
right there.
we were talking about dividend yield.
Yep. What's next? I don't see the screen is on there. What's to the right of dividend yield?
PE.
All right, PE ratio.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. So then you have the PE ratio, and then you come down. You see the overview. You got technicals, and you see the chart. And right here, you see to the right, you see all the financial news. Right, it's real quick. And if you keep going down, you see news. News about it. You see it right there. And so, and you want to look at if you're investing in the stock or you're looking to invest in this particular company, you want to look at every news possible, about the company because, again, Wall Street, even you could have something right, you can have a great company, and it got some bad news is going to add pressure to the stock, and you're going to eventually lose money. So you want to really, be aware of what's going on. In this particular case, Tyson Food, it's a food company and a big food company because the market cap was pretty big, and you don't want anything people getting sick and salmonella poison, whatever that type of stuff over the type of food. They recalling certain things, and you see that often. That's the type of stock that's not going to do well initially during a particular those particular cycles. And if you see to the left of the screen, you have different analysis. You see Tyson uptrend points of contact. You see certain people, some of their analysis, with this particular chart. It runs up a little bit and then it goes sideways, or it falls a little bit, then it runs up a little bit. So a lot of those are patterns that people look at, to help them decide how when to get in and when not to get in. So these are technical analysis. What I'm going to teach you first is fundamental analysis. Is what really matters most, right? I do use technical analysis for a lot of my trades, not investments, trades, right? But you can still use it for investments, but a lot of fundamental analysis will help you with certain investment.
So I know a lot of people probably think that this is confusing. It's like, oh my God, look at all this. This is what I'm talking about, But when you know what you're looking for, when you come through this course, when you understand what things mean, and you have in defined terms and explanation, you can then look at this and now apply what we have been showing you over time. You can now look and say, the thing I'm trying to accomplish are my investment goals inside of my risk tolerance based on what I understand and what I can endure pain-wise in my risk tolerance. And now the numbers help me see what I'm going to do based on what I've learned. That's a completely different outlook than just coming on and doing what you think is up or down, or following the news, or doing what other people are doing, you know? And that's what we really want to be able to help you do here. We're going ticker. Now now we showed you where you can put it in for free and start to begin to look at the numbers. And now we're going to start to go over the numbers with you and show you what the numbers mean in a step-by-step way. Coming up in the next segment, you'll get the definitions of PE ratio, market cap, earnings per share. We're going to break down those terms for you. And then we'll have Wallace back to be able to show you, now this is how we look at this in real time and do real-time analysis. So don't worry, we're taking it step by step, taking you on a continuous path of growth, comfort, and understanding. I'm just so grateful to you, sir, for being able to be here and drop that wisdom.
Yes, sir.